family and friends. I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
I love my sister.
I love my sister.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
My friend is nice.
My friend is nice.
Can I join you?
Can I join you?
Let's share our toys.
Let's share our toys.
Don't fight with your friends.
Don't fight with your friends.
Be kind to everyone.
Be kind to everyone.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me.
I miss you, Grandma.
I miss you, Grandma.
I miss you, Grandpa.
I miss you, Grandpa.
Mom is cooking food.
Mom is cooking food.
Dad is reading a newspaper.
Dad is reading a newspaper.
Animals and nature. Look at the dog.
Look at the dog.
Look at the cat.
Look at the cat.
Look at the bird.
Look at the bird.
Look at the butterfly.
Look at the butterfly.
The fish is swimming.
The fish is swimming.
The horse is running.
The horse is running.
The cow is eating grass.
The cow is eating grass.
The frog is jumping.
The frog is jumping.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
The moon is bright.
The moon is bright.
The stars are twinkling.
The stars are twinkling.
It's raining.
It's raining.
The wind is blowing.
The wind is blowing.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
Manners, feelings and expressions. Please say sorry.
Please say sorry.
Please say thank you.
Please say thank you.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
Be polite.
Be polite.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.